Have you ever had that moment where you wake up and suddenly, boom, you've got the perfect idea? Maybe it's an app, maybe it's a game, maybe it's a business tool that could literally blow up. But then reality hits. You don't know how to code, you don't have months to learn, and you definitely don't have thousands of dollars to hire a developer. So what happens? The idea dies. And that's exactly what I want to change today. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how I can now build fully functional apps, games, dashboards, and even e-commerce websites just from a description, no coding, no tech background, just your idea. Let's break this down. Using AI platforms like Arena, where you can access powerful models like Kimi, you can literally type, create a smart clock app that shows time in analog, digital, and binary format, and within seconds, it generates a working version, not a mock-up, not just an image. A real interactive interface. You can click buttons, switch layouts, change themes. You describe it, it builds it. And here's the crazy part. You can keep talking to the AI, change the color, add a sidebar, make it dark mode, add charts, and it updates instantly. If you're watching this and thinking, wait, this changes everything, that's exactly how I felt when I tested this strategy. I tried the psychology niche strategy, and it's actually insane. When you combine AI app building with smart niche positioning like psychology-based products, the leverage is insane. If you're getting value right now, do me a favor. Hit the like button so more creators see this. Subscribe if you're serious about building digital income, and share this with someone who's sitting on a big idea but hasn't launched yet. Now let's keep going. This is where it gets really interesting. Dashboards. You can create a podcast analytics dashboard, a crypto portfolio tracker, a sales tracking system, a social media growth monitor, clean charts, interactive data, professional layouts built in minutes. Now think bigger. Small businesses need dashboards. Agencies need dashboards. Creators need dashboards. Instead of hiring developers, you generate it using AI, customize it, and deliver it. That's leverage. That's profit potential. I've always wanted to build a game, but learning full game development, that's a massive commitment. Now, you can say, create a Pac-Man style browser game. And it builds a playable version right there. No downloads, no game engines, no coding tutorials. That removes the biggest barrier most people have, technical skill. This part is powerful for professionals. You can generate interactive room designers, 3D product showcases, furniture layout previews, virtual demo environments. If you're an interior designer, imagine showing clients an interactive room instead of static images. If you sell products online, imagine customers rotating and inspecting a 3D version before buying. That increases conversions, that increases perceived value, and again, no coding required. You can also create an app that turns images into pop art, a mandala generator, an interactive family tree, mind maps for students, visual learning diagrams. These can become products, lead magnets, educational tools, sellable digital assets. If you're building a brand, this opens serious doors. For the entrepreneurs watching, you can say, build me a modern e-commerce landing page for this product. And it generates product sections, pricing layouts, call to action buttons, mobile-friendly design. It looks like a professional designer built it. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. Let me say this clearly. The real opportunity isn't just AI, it's speed. Speed to test ideas, speed to launch, speed to validate. Most people never build anything because it feels complicated. Now the barrier is gone. The only limit left is your imagination. So here's what I want you to do. Think of one idea you've been sitting on, an app, a tool, a business concept, and this week, go test it using an AI builder like the ones I showed you. Build a basic version, test it, show it to people, get feedback. Stop letting ideas die in your head. This is Chase Brooks, and you're watching Chase Profit, where we turn ideas into income. If this video shifted your mindset, like the video. Subscribe if you're serious about building real assets online, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.